So today we are going to be talking about permutations versus combinations. And first of all, permutations are problems when the order does matter. So permutations talk about the number of arrangements, and they are used by looking at this equation. Where n is the total and r is how many you choose. And combinations are different in that the order does not matter. Combinations are seen by this equation. The only difference is that the denominator of combinations are multiplied by the number you choose. So we're going to be looking at two problems. And the first thing you need to ask yourself is it a permutation or is it a combination? So this problem says you have 10 open parking spots with 6 cars waiting to park. How many different arrangements are there? So since it's talking about arrangements, this is actually a permutation. So permutations are and you have 10 total parking spots and 6 are waiting to park. So then it's 10 factorial over 10 minus 6 factorial. Now you could do this in your calculator with just 10 math and then permutations, choose 6, and you get, so that is your answer. And then the second problem is our class of 30 students is splitting up into 6 groups for a project. How many different groups can be formed? And again, the first thing is whether or not it's a permutation or a combination. And this one is a combination actually, because one student decides between 6 groups, so there's no order in which he decides of the 1 through 6. So combinations are modeled by this equation. And so you have 30 total students, and you choose between 6 groups. And then, again, you can just do this in your calculator. You have to put the first number before you go to the math section to find the combination. And you get this big number. So this was how many different groups could be formed with only 30 students.